Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 81 of the ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to configure SeriLog via configuration file. This is continuation of part 80 where we configure SeriLog via code. Let's go to the Visual Studio. In our last video, we already installed required packages which is SeriLog.aspnetcore. Just in case you are not interested to use SeriLog via code and only want to watch this video, please install that package. Alright, let's comment this code which we write in our last video. Now we still need to create SeriLogger via code where we tell SeriLog to pick other related configuration via configuration file. So type log.logger is equal to new logger configuration, then dot read from dot configuration, then within bracket builder dot configuration, and finally dot create logger. So our SeriLogger is ready to read all these settings which we used in our last video via configuration file. We already have logger registered here, builder.logging.services.add SeriLog. Let's go to appsettings.json or appsettings.development.json in case you are using development environment. Just like we have a section called logging for default logging providers, we have to create a section for SeriLog called SeriLog. So type SeriLog, then colon and then curly braces. Next, let's set minimum level. So type minimum level colon warning. So with this, logger will get log with severity level starting from warning and will ignore trace info and debug. Alright, let's say we want to write logs to console. So type write to, then within square bracket, use curly braces. Write to specify that various things where log events will be written, for example, consoler file. Then name colon console. Then we can have different arguments. So type args, a caps, then curly braces. Let's say I want to use JSON formatter for my console logs. Then type formatter colon SeriLog dot formatting dot JSON formatter comma SeriLog. And that's it. Let's run our application. See, we get the logs in JSON format. Next, let's see how to save logs in file. Stop the application, add another section within write to, so curly braces, name, set it to file, then arguments, args for arguments, then within curly braces, use path and set it to d colon / logs my first text log.txt. And that's it. Let's run our application. We have logs in console. Let's go to logs folder. And you can see we have my first text log.txt file created. Let's open it. And you can see we have required logs. Next, let's try to set other parameters as well. Let's stop the application. If you don't know what all these parameters are all about, please watch our previous video. I covered all these parameters in detailed manner. Alright, let's say if you want to generate a file in a specified interval of time, we have to use rolling interval. So type rolling interval colon minute. You can use hour, day, etc. Next, Let's say we want to limit number of files. For that we can use retained file count limit. So retained file count limit colon, let's say 7. Then we also want to set maximum file size so that our logs files don't get too heavy. So first use roll on file size limit. Colon true. Then file size limit bytes. Colon 10485760 10 MB. Then if you want to enable buffer for optimizing log writing for heavy logging, we can use buffered and flush to disk interval. I'm not sure if flush to disk interval makes any difference. Anyway, so type buffered colon true, flush to disk interval colon 00 colon 00 colon 01. If you want to share file with multiple application, we can use shared. So type shared colon true. And finally use restricted to minimum level. So type restricted to minimum level colon warning. So this configuration file behaves similar to what we had done via code in our previous video. Let me just go to employee controller and let me loop these logs 100k times. So type for int I is equal to 0, I is less than, let's say 100k, I plus plus, then if I module, let's say 25,000, double equal to 0, then thread dot sleep 1000, just to make this process run little longer. Let's run our application. And we have an error. Buffered writes are not available when file sharing is enabled. Okay, because we decided to share this log file with other application, buffer write is not allowed. So set share to false. And also set file size limit bytes to 1 MB so that we get files created quickly. And let's run our application one more time. Let's go to log folder. Let me just keep on pressing F5. You can see when file size reaches to 1 MB, it create another file. And once clock change its minute, because we also set rolling intervals at 2 minutes, it will create new file even when file size is less than 1 MB. Let me just continue pressing F5 so that you can see all those changes. You will see after every passing minute a new file is generated, and even when 1 MB is reached, it will create another file. All right. Just play with all these settings and try a different combination. So that's it from this video. Hope you like our content. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, do ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.